Okay, we are in Excel, skill 1.5, inserting and deleting cells. If you need to add something into the middle of a cell, you could try to cut and paste and move stuff over, but really all you have to do is, if I wanted to add a row, let's say, I could just I could right click on the row and select insert. I can also delete the row, so I hit insert, it adds a row in. Same works for the columns. I can right click on a column, hit insert, and it'll add a column in there. And then, like I said, if I wanted to delete one, I could just right click on it and select delete, and it takes the row out. I'm going to add that row back in. Now the thing is, if you don't right click and select delete, if you just hit delete, it just deletes the contents. It doesn't move the row out of there. So if you want to get rid of the row and move everything up, you need to delete it. That's adding and deleting rows and columns. Now if I want to delete a cell, let's say I want to delete this cell right here, I can right click on it and hit delete. If I just hit the delete key, it'll just take the contents out, it won't move the cell. Now when I select delete here, it gives me some options. It says shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. If I hit entire row, it will delete that whole row. That's another way you can delete a row. Entire column will delete the whole column. That's another way for that. But if I just want that cell out, now I have to tell it what to do with the other cells. Do I shift the cells below it up into that cell, or do I shift the cells from the right of it left into it? So let's say I shift left, hit OK, and you can see the 4-1 and everything else moved over into it. That's inserting and deleting cells. Skill 1.6 and 1.7 are pretty basic stuff that you learned in Word. Basically, italics, bold, underline, they're all available in Excel, as well as changing your fonts. So just a quick review of those skills, and that'll be good for those lessons. Code word for this is going to be sign, S-I-G-N.